everybody. My name is Julie B. Thanks and welcome to my kitchen. Woo, I'm good to go today. Don't excuse all this. It's hot. It's humid here in Texas. It's raining, and I'm doing a grocery haul because I needed to do one. As everybody knows, I've been on a journey. Well, since my son's death on the 5th of March, I have gained 50 pounds. I emotionally eat, and I eat the wrong things. So I was talking to Robert the other night, and I told him, I said, I'm feeling myself get fat. I've got to do something. He goes, I agree with you. And so today we went out and bought groceries because we've been eating out a lot lately. And every now and then is fine, but it's been a lot lately. And so we can save money on the, what is it? How much did we spend? $220?
$220 and $220.01.
And $30 of that, $40 of that was for the cat litter. So I'm going to show you our grocery haul. And I do have a lot of this in multiples, so you'll have to, I have cherry tomatoes, I have Roma tomatoes, we bought Dijon mustard, toasted sesame oil, and olive oil. I don't know if you know, but that olive oil's gotten expensive. And I bought some coleslaw. And I'm gonna do the meals. I'm gonna start cooking again, so and doing meals again because I've gotten out of it. I got corn tortillas, Italian mild sausage. I got roast beef, Black Forest, and rotisserie seasoned chicken for when we do sandwich night, and for me to eat during the day because I eat that and cheese and stuff like that. Got lettuce, spinach, sweetener, Parmesan cheese. Now, I'm going to tell you a little secret. Unless you use Parmesan cheese a lot, do not get the big Parmesan cheese from Sam's. Within 3 weeks, it was bad. And I got some Greek yogurt, some more coconut oil, because I ran out, feta cheese, cream cheese. I got 2 types of mushroom because they didn't have portobello caps, so I had to get just the portobello, the baby bellows, and then I got sliced white mushrooms. I got basmati rice, cooked shrimp whipping cream. I also use this as a creamer because it has no sugars and it has no fat. It has 5 grams of fat, so it's a good fat. But there is no sugars whatsoever in that. I got asparagus because with one of the meals we don't particularly like the vegetables that are with us, so I substitute. We got grapes because I'm making, you got it, grape avocado guacamole. We got cilantro. We got an English cucumber. Some green bell peppers. We got red onions and yellow onions. I got 2 bags of, what are these called? Avocados. I got jalapenos, yellow onions, green onions, as they say in the books, scallions. And I got red and gold potatoes. Now what I'll do is I will put down in the list of what I'm going to be cooking this week, so you kind of have a know of what I'm going to be cooking. I'm just going to put the recipes, and then that way you'll know what's going on. But anyway, that's my grocery haul. Like I said, there's a lot of multiples in this, and I'm going to get back to cooking, and I am going to be making a sugar-free dessert for sure this time. Anyway, you have anything to say, Mr. Bob?
Nope.
He's holding the camera. Anyway, y'all have a good day. We'll talk to you later. See you, bye. I forgot. We also got a watermelon and 2 bags of cat litter.
And a can of paint.
And a can of paint. Mr. Bob, say hi, Mr. Bob.
Hi, Mr. Bob.
You gonna show your paint? Or did you already take it? And a can of paint. He's a cheapie. It was $3.
$2.50.
Okay, $3.
$2.48.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, say bye.
Bye.